Using flag to stop looping. First, open brackets. Now, I will give you an example to see how the flag works. Create a variable equal empty string or nothing in the variable. Another variable such as name equal string write any name \n. Alright, now I will use the flag. Type while I is not equal quotation marks q colon I equal input parenthesis name. This means as long as variable I is not equal q, do the statement or the block of code that we did, which is I equal input parenthesis variable name. After that, try that on terminal. As you can see, it says write any name. I will write anything now. Just watch out. Here the flag works when I type q, because in the condition said as long as the variable I is not equal q, let the statements work. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.